Here's the detergent dispenser. It looks different compared to my previous washer. Now this one is for your fabric softener, the one that you're not supposed to use, and this one is for your main wash detergent. Here's the main program control dial of this Hotpoint washer, which allows you to select the various program options. So you have to start the machine first to select the rest of your options. And I'll just show you the other ones, the one I'm going to be using. So in today's video, I'm going to be using the 30-minute wash. And then you will press that button again to switch it off. Now turn it back on, everything's lit up. Here you can adjust your temperature. You can go, like I've got it on the 30-minute program. You can go from 30, 20 degrees, or off. Then you can adjust your spin speed. So it has a maximum of 1400, but on this program it only does 800. And then you have your time delay option for up to 24 hours, I think. Yep, 24 hours. And here you have your extra rinse and your key lock feature. So obviously, because it's a quick wash, I cannot select that. And here is your extra touch facility. So you've got rapid option, which will take it down to 15 minutes. And that's the only one that you can do on this program. But if we have it on like whites for an example, you can do rapid option or steam hygiene. And I'll just turn it off. And here is your start/pause button. Here's the main portal of the washing machine. There's no button to open the door. You just have this recessed part here. And it has a very nice wide opening. And it does look quite big, does the capacity. Certainly bigger than my previous washer. And that was a 4 kilogram wash, and this is 9. So it's big enough for a full family load. And actually my mum gave me this washer when I first moved into my studio 2 years ago. Okay, so I've given you the many programs and functions on this Hotpoint washer. So it's now time to do a wash load. So let's open the door. And what I'm gonna be washing today is just a very small load of darts, really. It's not a very big load, but it's big enough to give you an idea of the machine going. It's not very big, but it will do for my needs, I think. So that's the loading. Get that out of the way. Close the door, and let's have the detergent. So I've just got the Alma Bio powder here. And also the lime scale prevention gel. I'll add that on the top. Perfect. Let's shut the drawer and add the detergent. And select the other program, sorry. Now we need to switch the machine on. And I'm going to select the 30-minute wash. Go do it on 30 by default. And then press the start button. So as you can hear that it's filling up, and it's actually working out how much water to add. It will sense what's in the wash tub, obviously. And then and what I do love about this washing machine is that is what Hotpoint call it inverter motor. So basically what that means is that it makes it very, very quiet. So all what you can hear really is the water swishing around and the clothes tumbling in the drum. So that is where I'm going to leave the washing for the time being, because I've got a lot of work to do. So I'll come back at the end to have a look at the washing. Well, actually that's the end of today's video. I hope that you've enjoyed it, and until next time, see you again very soon. Bye for now.